Christine came to us suffering from back and leg pain. Her pain was intense, a 9 out of 10. After her specialized treatment, her life changed dramatically.
What was your pain level when you first came in to see me?
It was pretty extreme. It was about a 9 on bad days.
So about a 9 out of 10?
I was hurting in a lot of spots. Lower back, just above the tailbone area, mostly on the left side, but it had graduated down into my groin area and also my left hip. And then I was having some pain down my left leg.
Do you still have leg pain after the procedure?
No, I have 0 leg pain.
Do you have any back pain left?
Very little. I have kind of a pressure feeling, so I would put it at about a 1 pain-wise. Very tolerable. I don't have any groin pain. I had some hip pain, but even that has started to lessen over the past couple of weeks. I did a lot of gardening, which I enjoyed doing, but it was very painful for me. I haven't had any really tremendous pain since that at all. It has been great. I'm very pleased that I did this procedure. I've been recommending it to people. I also had it done in my shoulder about 5 years ago, and
Cool.
I have 0 pain in my shoulder. So
Love it.
it's been wonderful for me because I didn't want surgery. So this is a great.
Today, Christine is back to doing the things she loves, pain-free and without surgery. At Pain Experts, we use advanced non-surgical treatments to relieve chronic pain, restore mobility, and help you reclaim your life.